So join me now as we turn within for a time of meditation. We are on Key 6 in our series of Keys to the Kingdom by David Owen Ritz. This week, Count Your Blessings is our theme. And Ritz says that most people don't fully understand the creative relationship that exists between their own state of consciousness and their outer experience of life. The feeling of gratitude is among the strongest and most affirmative spiritual energies at our command. When you feel a deep sense of gratitude for some good you may find, you are not just saying thank you to life for blessing you. You are actually focusing your creative energy and bringing it to bear on your life. So as we turn within, I would invite you to connect with that creative energy that is calling you. Sometimes it shows up as unrest or feeling dissatisfied or unsettled. Sometimes it shows up as inspiration, something pulling us forward. But it is always there calling us. The energy of creativity is the energy of abundance. And if we are to create a peaceful world within ourselves, outside of ourselves, it requires us to use the creativity and the energy that is always accessible to us. For where there is a problem, there is a possibility. So in what ways are you being called to be creative? You may not have thought of it as creative, but problem solving is creative. Painting is creative. Dancing is creative. There are all kinds of ways that we, as beings connected to the divine truth that lives within us, express in creative ways as we communicate, as we take action, as we explore new possibilities. So what does creativity look like for you? Where are you being called to be more creative? To perhaps let go of old stories or old paradigms or old assumptions and lean in, get curious, start to wonder where something is unfolding that you may not have yet seen. Ask the questions. What is in this for me? What is mine to contribute? How am I being called? So let us take a moment in the silence to connect with that creative energy that is rising up in each one of us in unique ways, asking us to listen, to lean in, to get curious in the silence. As we greet that creative energy that calls to us, let us give thanks for all the ways that Spirit moves within us, all the unique expressions each person who is hearing these words has at their fingertips. Your contribution is vital, for only you can give the world what is yours to give. So let us give thanks and leave this moment from a place of gratitude, using that power and that energy that is accessible to us at all times, saying, thank you, God. Thank you, God. And so it is.